Welcome back, guys. I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1979 C-10 pickup truck. I was in the middle of a test drive and I decided just to go ahead and do the walk around right here. This is a 5.7 350 power steering under the hood. Nice Edelbrock carb, new fuel filter, looks like new alternator. Pretty clean under the engine bay. We're gonna be walking around this truck, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We do this on every vehicle at the car lot. Check us out at maplemotors.com. That's our main website. We put new cars on that every Monday, so be sure to check that out. That is your best bet to get the car you want. We also did the test drive videos, and I will link them together. The last 30 seconds of this video, you'll be able to find the test drive. And if you like the music, go to Southgate Production. That's another channel here. Me and my band get together after work and make some songs. I always put the tunes on the channel. Okay, we're gonna get started here. We're looking for flaws. Any flaws that I see on this truck, I will point out to you. We're gonna start up here in the front. So the front bumper is not in perfect condition, but it looks pretty good. It does have some little pitting spots popping up on top. The grill and everything looks nice and clean. You can tell they painted on the edges of these. Looks like a silver. Coming around the side, the paint job is in great shape. There is some waves going down the side, you see on the bed back there, and we'll work our way back. We're gonna start on the lower portion, look for any kind of rust trying to come through, or any kind of Bondo. If I see it, I'll let it be known. Looks like there's a little rust spot down there at the bottom of the door. In the corner, it looks pretty good. You can see some sanding marks. The back bumper has been painted. We're gonna come back to midsection. I turn around, but my shadow will be all in the video. There's definitely some old sanding marks that were under here. You can kind of see them on the side there. And it's not perfect through here. You can see some old touch-ups that were there. I'm zooming in so you can see them. New door handle. Mirrors in good shape. Touch-up marks here on the fender. Front windshield's in good shape. There is a chip right here in the center, real small. We'll be shutting the hood down towards the end of the video after I start the motor. You see the jam's nice and clean as well. You got some splits right here, but that looks fairly new. That just may have happened when they were trying to put it on. Roof's in good shape. You got some blemishes here on top of the door. The paint looks a little thin up top there too. As far as bed rails, they look good. The bed is very clean. That is in great shape. Back window seal's been replaced as well. Some blemishes on top here. And this paint is soft. It's definitely been waxed. Back bumper's been painted. It's not perfect on the tailgate. As you can see, I'm zooming in for you. Some lighter spots. For the most part, it's in good shape. Coming down this side, we're gonna do the same thing, run down the lower portion, midsection, top, and then we're gonna jump on the interior. Coming down this lower portion. Seems to be a very clean truck. I'm not seeing a lot of rust or issues there. But it does have, you know, some light blemishes, some paint runs, and the door's got a little bit of a gap there. Going on down. You can just see some sanding marks kind of through here, and some touch-up marks there. Coming back down the midsection. See how it's a little wavy as we're going. Mainly on the bed right here. Sometimes if I can move this back and forth, you can see it. Got the motion of the ocean there. Little paint run right here in the middle. Hopefully the light's hitting it. Very shiny, that's for sure. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump on the inside, open the door, check the interior out, get her started up, and I'll also give you undercarriage shots. Interior has been redone, new carpet, new seat. Headliner's very clean, dash very clean, and I believe all the gauges work. And this truck's as simple as start her up. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? I can show you the mileage. I cannot stand behind it because dashes can be changed out. Looks like majority of our gauges are working. Oil pressure, temp, volts, gas. It was moving around when I was driving. Radio, I couldn't get it to cut on. Blower motor, yes, and it has heat. Wipers, the wipers are not hooked up. Something's going on there. They do not work. The switch was on and they're not moving. So door panel in good shape. Checking the edges here, looking up under the bottom. Okay, jams, weather stripping, nice. Horn, you ready? You really would think it would work on this truck. Got a good exhaust note. Motor's nice and quiet. Under the hood's very clean, just like the rest of the truck. The hood is stiff coming down, so what I like to do is grab it, yank it back and forth. It's a lot easier with both hands, but I'm not gonna mess y'all up on the camera there. So once you start coming down, it gets easier. She's shut. Do have a little spot here right on the front. It's like a little crack in the paint on the nose of the hood, and on the edge there you see how it's got some bubbles. That is actually thick paint. Looks like a little bit of a shade off here in the corner. Just trying to find everything, guys. We got some paint runs in the front. And it looks like a little bit of a different color there. For the most part, it looks great. I like this truck. Hood's sitting a little high over here, but I bet you it'll push on down. Probably just needs the hinge adjusted. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna go all the way around this truck. Check out the detailed test drive video. I'll take the truck down the road, talk about how it runs and drives, check the brake, and then I put a light down on the ground and drive over it with my camera facing up towards the undercarriage. It illuminates everything. And plus, on maplemotors.com, I have 100 detailed pictures of this ride. Every ride that comes through the lot, we try to take all those detailed pictures and get all this information out to you. Let's look under this one. appreciate y'all watching. Last 30 seconds of this, you'll see the test drive link. Hit it. If you like the music at the beginning, go to Southgate Production. That's my music channel. Me and the band plan on going live on that channel here soon. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video. I want to thank you for sharing these videos. You're helping us out greatly by sharing them, getting these videos out there for us. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Later, guys.